In a world where technology is rapidly transforming the way we work, collaboration and productivity are more crucial than ever. Yet traditional laptops often fall short in meeting the demands of high-performing professionals. That's why Lenovo has crafted the ThinkPad T14 G6 Business AI PC laptop, a cutting-edge device designed to streamline your workflow, amplify your capabilities, and fortify your security. Now, let's consider the issue at hand. The modern workplace is increasingly complex and fast-paced. Executives, entrepreneurs, and creatives alike are constantly juggling multiple tasks, meeting demanding deadlines, and seeking innovative ways to stay ahead. Traditional laptops frequently hinder productivity with their lack of powerful performance, limited mobility, and fragile security. In response, Lenovo has engineered the ThinkPad T14 G6 with an unrelenting focus on AI-enhanced tools, exceptional durability, and lightning fast charging. Upon first glance, the ThinkPad T14 G6 presents itself as a compact powerhouse. Measuring 12.7 by 8.8 by 0.7 inches and weighing a mere 3.04 pounds, this device packs an incredible punch considering its streamlined design. Its 14-inch FHD Plus touchscreen display boasts vibrant visuals, crisp text, and responsive controls, effortlessly switching between touch and keyboard input modes. Opening the laptop's lid reveals a well-designed keyboard with 1.4mm key travel, backlighting for late-night work sessions, and a spacious touchpad perfect for multitasking. In addition to its tactile keypad, this AI-powered laptop sports an array of high-quality speakers, producing clear and balanced audio suitable for both music and video content. A comprehensive suite of ports includes two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, a single USB-A, an HDMI, and an RJ45 for seamless connectivity in any setting. Let's dive into the features that truly set the ThinkPad T14 G6 apart. With Intel's 12-core Ultra 5 225U processor, a behemoth exceeding the performance capabilities of its Ultra 7 155U counterpart, the AI PC effortlessly handles resource-intensive tasks such as video processing, data analysis, and graphics design. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, upgradable to 64 GB for the most demanding workflows, and 512 GB of SSD storage optimized for rapid data retrieval and transfer, this laptop delivers silky smooth performance and instant responsiveness. Furthermore, Lenovo has incorporated cutting-edge AI enhancements to automate common tasks. The laptop's intelligent software suite can identify and summarize lengthy documents, schedule meetings, manage email inboxes, and even automate routine communication flows. These features enable professionals to free up precious time and energy for high-priority pursuits, ensuring they stay ahead in their respective fields. To put these abilities to the test, I immerse myself in real-world scenarios. When working with a team of developers, I utilize the ThinkPad T14 G6 to code and implement a complex software architecture. I found that the AI-powered tools seamlessly streamline my workflow, allowing me to pinpoint bugs, optimize code structures, and deliver a robust, high-performance application within the allotted time. Another scenario that stood out involved collaborating with marketing colleagues to create a visually stunning campaign presentation. Equipped with a robust set of creative tools and AI-enhanced image processing capabilities, the ThinkPad T14 G6 allowed me to produce striking visuals, manage multiple project iterations, and share my work with clients in record time. Throughout these experiences, I noticed exceptional battery life and rapid charging capabilities, further cementing the ThinkPad's position as an unstoppable productivity partner. Now, considering the ThinkPad T14 G6's remarkable capabilities, some may be inclined to nitpick minor quibbles. A few areas require mention. The webcam might slightly struggle in low-light environments, keyboard backlight sensitivity might be an acquired taste, and, regrettably, a 360-degree camera option is not included. As we compare the ThinkPad T14 G6 to its peers, we see that it firmly cements itself as a top-tier option for demanding professionals. Its superior performance, long battery life, and AI-driven productivity enhancements put it at the forefront of a crowded marketplace. To sum up the verdict, the ThinkPad T14 G6 is not merely a laptop. It's a strategic productivity ally. By embracing cutting-edge AI, Lenovo has empowered users to work smarter, not harder, while fortifying their security with robust features like TPM 2.0 and ThinkPad's proprietary software protections. If you're a high-flying executive, a software engineer, or simply someone seeking an unwavering work partner for countless late nights and early mornings, the ThinkPad T14 G6 Business AI PC laptop is, without question, an indispensable investment. So, whether you're on the cusp of a groundbreaking project or merely seeking to level up your daily work routine, I highly encourage you to put the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 G6 to the ultimate test. Experience its limitless productivity potential, feel the rush of collaborating without boundaries, and discover a work companion designed to elevate your game.